لله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله وعلى آله وأصحابه ومن والاه. اللهم بك أصبحنا وبك أمسينا وبك نحيا وبك نموت وإليك النشور. يا إخوة في الإيمان، السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. اللهم علمنا مما ينفعنا وأنفعنا مما علمتنا يا ذا الجلال والإكرام. This is the beginning into a book that we intend for us to be an eye-opener and inshallah to be a form of the best and the easiest of way to achieve the understanding of Arabic. This book is a very popular one. It is called Daarus Salām Al-Arabiya لغير الناطقين بها. It was a publication by the popular Sheikh Dr. Abdul Rahim. This book is a very wonderful one. It's very popular among teachers and students alike. Without no further ado, let's dive into the content of the book. However, before we go into the first chapter, I want us to understand that this book, if we diligently follow the content in this book, in no time, we'll see ourselves conversing in Arabic, and before we know it, by the time we recite the Quran, we recite it with understanding and seeing the things that are like blurry and more of an hallucination from many people among the Muslims. We will now start understanding the Quran as we read it. With that, we now have the edge of what Allah wants from us by descending this Quran to His Messenger. That means the ability to read the Quran and contemplate on the Quran. May Allah make this journey easy for you and I. It's going to be a very interesting journey, and I hope you have a lot of fun as much as I will, inshallah. Now, going to the first chapter in the book, this is page 5 according to the book. It might be page 6 according to the application I'm using. I'm using Adobe Reader. I don't know the application you are using. So, the first lesson is at Daarus Awwal. And as you can see from the group, I have shared this file to the group. So if you are wondering where to get it, you can use the one I sent to the group. If you have had this book, I will not be surprised. It's a very popular book. So the first thing our noble scholar wants to teach us in this lesson is the usage of a word, haza. As you can see, after the first lesson at Daarus Awwal, the next thing we are seeing is the word haza. Haza. So haza in English language means this. This. And with the word this, many expressions are made, as this is an indicator of many things. And as you can see, they use that word haza to now use it to bring many other nouns to us in Arabic. As you can see, Arabic is read from right to left. So the first word from our right on this page is haza baytun. Haza baytun. It is good you repeat it after me. Haza baytun. That's correct. You read it after me. Haza baytun. And as you can see the image here, baytun means house, or to properly translate it means a house. So the reason why this is the case, inshallah, which will still be elaborated and explained in the coming lesson. Haza baytun. This is a house. Now, going to the second image, it reads, Haza masjidun. Haza masjidun. This is a mosque. This is a mosque. Haza masjidun. So say it after me. That's good. Haza masjidun. Then we go to the next image. It reads, Haza babun. Haza babun. So, as you can see from the image, it means this is a door. This is a door. Then, going to the next image, it reads, Haza kitabun. Say it after me. Good. Haza kitabun. This is a book. And the next image, Haza qalamun. Haza qalamun. This is a pen. Haza qalamun. The next image, Haza miftahun. Haza miftahun. Haza miftahun. Good. As you can see, this is a key. In the next image, it reads, Haza maktabun. Haza maktabun. And as you can see, it means this is a table. This is a table. The next image, Haza sarirun. Haza sarirun. And as you can clearly see as well, it means this is a bed. In the next image, it reads, Haza kursiyun. Haza kursiyun. So, say it after me. Haza kursiyun. This is a chair. You need to go over these words and read them again till you are comfortable with reading them, and as you read them, their meaning comes to your mind. This is very, very essential. You can pause the video, go back to it, and read it over and over again till you are convenient with these words, as much as whenever you mention them, their meaning resonates to your understanding. Now, going to the next page, the sixth page, page 6, we have an heading which reads, Ma haza. Ma haza. What does this mean? It means the ma means what, and we all know the meaning of haza, which is this. So reading them together, it simply means, what is this? What is this? So with that, we can bring some sentences. In the first statement, it reads, Ma haza. What is this? And the response, Haza baytun. This is a house. In the next statement, it reads, Ahaza. Ahaza baytun. This brings what we call Amzatu istif'amiyya. Amzatu istif'amiyya. That is the amza that we use in asking a question. It now comes into the beginning of the words of the previous statements that we've read, which is Aza Baytun. It now turns it into a question by saying, Ahaza Baytun? Is this a house? Then there is a response which says, Naam. Yes. Haza baytun. This is a house. Then we go to the next sentence which says, Ma haza. What is this? Then the response, Haza komisun. Haza Qamisun. Say it again. Good. Haza qamisun. So what does this mean? It means this is a shirt. This is a shirt. Then going to the next one, it reads, Ahaza sarirun. Ahaza sarirun. From the previous words that we've read from page 5, we've come across sarirun, and it means a bed. So translating this sentence, it means, Ahaza sarirun. Is this a bed? La. No. Haza kursiyun. This is a chair. Ahaza miftahun. Ahaza miftahun. Is this a key? Is this a key? La. La. Haza qalamun. No. This is a pen. From these two statements, we have learnt the meaning of yes in Arabic, no in Arabic, and how to ask a question in Arabic. And finally, ma haza. What is this? Then the response, haza najmun. This is a star. This is a star. Haza najmun. Say it again. Very good. Haza najmun. Then we now come to the exercise that I will want us to do. This exercise in particular, I want us to send the audio back to me. Whenever you've attempted yours, you send the audio as a direct message back to me on the platform. With this, I'll be able to know for sure that you've gone through the what we have read so far in this first lesson at Daarus Salām, this first lesson. You are meant to read the question that was written over these images, like the first one, Mahaza. So what are you going to say? Go back to the previous lesson and you'll know that this exercise is a very simple one. That goes for this first exercise. Now we now have the second exercise, Tamrin. The second one, it is in form of a question and they want you to give an answer. I don't want an answer that is just a plain one that you only give me the response from the image. No, it should be an answer in the format of what we have read in this page 6. Like they ask us, Mahaza. They ask us in this third sentence, or may I say the fourth sentence here, Ahaza sarirun. The response was not said kursiyun or haza kursiyun. No, the response was la. So we have to give that response to la. La haza kursiyun. And the same thing goes for the second sentence in this page particular too. That was asked, Ahaza beitun. The response was not haza beitun. The response was Naam haza beitun. I want it in this format whenever you are attempting this question on page 8. And finally, on the exercise, you are meant to read Iqra waktub. As you can see, Iqra waktub. The sentences that are on this page, you are meant to read them and you are meant to write them. So you send me an individual audio of each exercise, a direct message into my DM, indicating that you've truly read this. You've really done the dues expected of you from each of these assignments. And that is where we are going to take it a hold for now. And inshallah, tomorrow, we are going to continue from Man Haza. Man Haza. This is very interesting, and I hope you enjoy it as I do. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.